Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the BISSELL Spinwave 2039A powered floor mop and cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: 2 buffing microfiber pads and 2 scrubbing pads for efficiently mopping moderately dirty floors. Cleaning surface is approximately 14 inches. On-demand cleaning solution spray button. Weighs 11 pounds and has a 22 feet long electric cord. A 28 ounces tank can contain hot water. Powered mop. The first thing we need to talk about is that the Spinwave is an electric mop. The benefit of an electric mop over traditional mops is how hard you need to push down to remove sticky caked-on stains. With the Spinwave, you don't need to do anything at all. Let the spinning mop pads do the heavy lifting while you gently glide the 11-pound mop forward and backward. Swivel steering. To make things easier on the user, BISSELL implemented a swivel steering neck that makes cleaning below and between furniture an effortless task. However, the handle does not lean forward or backward, so you'll have to attack at multiple angles to touch every square inch of floor underneath furniture. 28-ounce tank capacity. The Spinwave comes with a large 28-ounce clean water tank. This is also where you mix your detergent of choice, but BISSELL will throw in 2 trial-size bottles of multi-surface formula to try out. With 28 ounces of floor cleaning solution, you'll be able to clean a wide surface area and even multiple rooms on a single tank. The tank detaches from the main body for easy refills and solution mixing. On-demand spray. On the handle is a trigger which, when engaged, dispenses small quantities of the cleaning solution. Each pull of the trigger sends a wide fan of cleaning solution in front of the mop head to make stubborn stains easy to remove without going overboard on soap. However, some customers talked about needing to push the handle slightly forward or backward to get the pump mechanism working correctly. Noiseless work. Here's something that nobody can disagree on. The Spinwave is nearly whisper quiet. This 1-speed electric mop generates a hardly audible buzzing sound while the pads are spinning and working. Sleeping children and pets will not be pulled out of their slumber while the Spinwave does its thing. Pros: good for light and heavy-duty mopping. Self-propelling and light for less back strain. 2 counter-rotating mop heads. Reusable washable cleaning pads. Comes with 2 extra pads and 2 bottles of cleaning solution. Cons: hard to fit behind toilets and under very low furniture. Not good for deep grout.